Welcome, Martino. Let's go, man. Welcome, Martino. Man.
Tino. Hi. Salta, salta. Jumping, jumping, jumping. Where is Tino? Ah, here he is. Look at me. That's scared. With her. You, ay, te caes. You would have fell. Arriba. Up. It's so big. Oh. Oh, it's Tino. Yes. Oh my God. Fuerte, strong, Batman. Oh. Taurio. Oh my God. ¿Cómo el dinosaurio hace? Ay, no. Help, please, dinosaur. My hands.
Bye-bye, Martino.
It's only $24.98 on Walmart. Hello, Scooby-Doo. I want a cookie. Cookie, cookie. Valentino, what do you want?
This. You.
Blue? Good. Let's try.
Hatchimals
Vamos
X.
a agarrar. Let's take it. Take this. One.
This one.
You're welcome. Another one. Another one. Another one. Woo. Let's go. Woo.
Papa, human.
Hey guys, I come back from Walmart. So Valentino and me, we're gonna open the Hatchimals X. Let's do it.
Hi guys, so I have my egg right here. We're gonna do like this. We're gonna hold, okay, and hatch, and we're gonna break. Wow! You can see now what kind of animal it is. See? Wow! I love it. We got the same one. Oh, and there's a kitty. Okay. Now we're gonna open another one and we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna hold. You see the heart is gonna change another color. The color is purple and then it's gonna change a little pink. Okay, let's break it. Let's break it now. Wow, what kind of animal is now? Oh no, it's the same, Valentino. It's the same animal. You can see it?
Yes.
Oh no. Now I hope it's not the same one. Pray, Valentino.
Oh, man.
Is the same one?
Yes.
Oh no, I hope no. Pray. Oh yes, it's another little kitty. Meow. How does kitty say?
Meow.
Oh, hi kitty.
Hi, Vicky.
How are you?
How are you?
Okay. Well. Okay, Valentino. It's time to go. Say bye to everybody.
Bye and
See you soon. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Go, yo, yo,